Racing just is started with a freedom run. Break quickly to start rushing about the outside is Nurture Nature. Count me in. Tabing Ilog alongside comes No. Iana. Buena Classica. Promise second less while Real Value is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch we have Nurture Nature by about half length alongside comes Count Me in Tabing Ilog. Now rushing up to take third, then comes Freedom Run. No. Iana alongside Buena Classica. Promise second less while Real Value is still in less. Inside the tres octavo, we have Nurture Nature Tabing Ilog. Moving up on the outside, Count Me In. No. Iana also moving up on the outside and comes Buena Classica. Freedom Run Promise second less while Real Value is still in less. And Diana entering the home stretch. Tabing Ilog by Orling and a half. No, Iana remains in second with about 150 meters more to run. We have Tabing Ilog by about 2 lengths followed by No. Iana on the outside. Tabing Ilog. No. Iana moving up to take the lead and finally No. Iana. Tabing Ilog, Close Promise, Count Me In, Nurture Nature, Buena Classica.
Alright, that's yun. No, Iana. Crossing the wire first, driven by Mark Alvarez. Dagna si segundo, number 5, Tabing Ilog. Buong akala natin, nanalo na. Biglang kumaritot They're serving Best Promise. Then, dikit sabi nito pa, Count Me In, Nurture Nature.